In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask in Adobe Premiere Pro. Masking is an incredibly useful way to isolate a specific part of your video so you can apply effects, color changes, or adjustments only to that area. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to create and track a mask, then attach it to an effect like opacity. First, make sure your project is open in Premiere Pro and that your clips are already on the timeline. Start by selecting the clip you want to apply the mask to. Click directly on that clip in the timeline so it's highlighted. This tells Premiere that any masking work you're about to do should apply to this clip. Next, look at the toolbar on the left side of your timeline. Find the mask tools there. When you click and hold on the mask icon, a small menu will appear with several options: Object Mask Tool, Ellipse Mask Tool, Rectangle Mask Tool, and Pen Mask Tool. For this walkthrough, we'll use the Object Mask Tool, which is great for automatically detecting and tracking objects. With the Object Mask Tool selected, move your cursor over to the Program Monitor, which is the main preview window. Click on the object or area you want to mask. When you click, Premiere will highlight that area with a red overlay. This overlay helps you see exactly what is being selected. If you'd like to change the overlay color or turn it off, look under the preview window for the overlay drop-down. You can choose none if you don't want any color, or pick another color that's easier to see against your footage. Next to that is another drop-down where you can choose between lasso or rectangle for how you define your selection shape. You'll also see plus and minus icons. Use the plus icon to add more areas to your mask, and the minus icon to remove parts of the selection. Just click plus or minus, then drag over the area you want to adjust. Once your masked area looks good, go to the Effect Controls panel. Under the Clips properties, you'll see an entry for your object mask, usually listed under an unassigned mask section. Here, you'll notice tracking buttons that let you track the selected mask backward one frame, backward continuously, forward and backward, forward continuously, or forward one frame. These controls tell Premiere to follow the object as it moves through the clip, so the mask stays locked onto it. Take your time here and let the software track through the parts of the clip where the object moves. You can stop and correct the mask if needed. Now it's time to assign the mask to an effect. In the Effect Controls panel, simply drag the object mask from the unassigned mask area onto the effect you want to limit. A common example is opacity. Drop it onto opacity and you'll see that the mask is now attached there. This means only the masked area is affected when you change the opacity. You can use the same approach with other effects like color correction or blur to target just that isolated object or region. And that's it. You've selected an object, refined the mask, tracked it through your clip, and assigned it to an effect, giving you precise control over exactly where your adjustments appear in your video.